Do you feel tired of seeing the same numbers on your roulette wheel over and over again? Are you tired of losing runs because you suck at the game? Are you tired of losing runs because you don't know how items work because you didn't read the f***ing description, you stupid? Do you have the urge to experiment with item combinations and learn about their effects to better prepare yourself for future runs? Well, the Roulette Dungeon demo just got a huge update, including some exciting features. So please play the demo of this roulette-based roguelike dungeon crawling deck builder indie game hidden gem piece of media thingy if you haven't done so already. You won't be disappointed. But let's not waste any more time and look at the new features, right? First up, we've introduced pocket customization. After defeating a boss, you'll now have the chance to spend your hard-earned chips to replace pockets on your roulette wheel. Here's how it works. When you enter the customization screen, you'll see a randomized selection of new pockets available for purchase. Click on one to buy it and then select which pocket on your wheel you want to replace. This lets you fine-tune your build mid-run, making build creation much more engaging. Wanna lean into black bets? Go for more black pockets. Have an item that benefits from specific numbers? Now you can actively look for those numbers in the shop. This new system makes building your arsenal even more engaging while keeping runs fresh and unpredictable. It also makes the game a lot more approachable. But if you seek a real challenge, you can still go into endless mode where enemies get stronger each cycle until they inevitably wipe the floor with your ass, staring at you with a gaze that makes you realize you've had it coming all along. Next, we've added practice mode. This is perfect for players who want to experiment with different item combinations in a safe environment. Here's how it works. You can choose up to 5 items you've discovered in previous runs. You'll then enter a battle scenario where you can test different builds. If you or the enemy is defeated, the battle resets, which means that your enemy's HP and shields, as well as yours and your ability, refresh to their original state. This mode is a great way to learn how certain items work together, but we've kept it a little restrictive. We don't want practice mode to make a real run feel obsolete. Since Roulette Dungeon is a roguelike, the fun comes from adapting to what you find during your run. Practice mode helps you prepare, but it won't let you solve the game ahead of time. A little side note, the name of the main character of Roulette Dungeon is Cuddlebutt, so I called this guy Cuddlebot, and I'm disproportionately proud of it. Just wanted to let you know. We've also given the UI a fresh coat of paint. Some of the feedback suggested that the previous UI felt a bit dull compared to the game's vibrant, cartoony art style. So we took that feedback and made some changes. The frames are now a bold, shiny gold, and the background elements have been slightly more saturated to match the rest of the game. The result? A UI that pops and feels more cohesive with the game's overall aesthetic, I think. Before we continue, I want to use this moment to mention that we greatly appreciate feedback, so if you want to share your thoughts, feel free to do so on a Discord server. You can actively help shape the game by doing so. We also do giveaways from time to time, so if you join for that reason, I won't judge you. Everyone likes free stuff. Back to topic. Endless mode and practice mode are now unlockable by completing normal mode once. Previously, endless mode was playable from the get-go, but it definitely makes sense to first complete a normal run and learn the basics. Since it also unlocks a playable character, it should be quite rewarding to win your first playthrough. We've also polished up a lot of little details and fixed some bugs to make the experience smoother. But going into detail here would probably waste your time, so just know that we keep working hard on the game to make it as fun of an experience as it can be. Anyway, you know the drill, play the demo, wishlist Roulette Dungeon, be nice to your parents, don't do drugs, and save the dolphins.